Hi, this is Travis Campbell, and I'd like to welcome you to the Top 5 Overlooked ACT Features video series for ACT software users. What's included in this video series? Well, it's real-life scenarios for everyday productivity, marketing, and sales professionals, as a 5-part e-course delivered weekly to subscribers by email. Now, even if you're not an ACT user, you'll benefit from the concepts shared and maybe apply the lessons shared in your own contact management or CRM system. I'll share more about the video series in a moment, but before I do that, I'd like to introduce you to Mary Smith. Mary just landed her dream job in an industry she's always been interested in working in. She's now the marketing manager for a small company who creates eco-friendly green products. In fact, their flagship product has been updated and has created a lot of buzz in the industry. Oh, and another perk for Mary, the commute is just 10 minutes compared to her previous job, which was an average of 45 minutes commute. This gives her more time with her young family. Well, the problem is, Mary knows she needs to be more productive in her new position. In fact, document creation currently consists of a lot of cutting and pasting, and was the top challenge of her predecessor. Mary decided to do something about it, and knew just what to do. Mary hired her database marketing consultant from her previous job, and he quickly showed her how to make document creation much easier. Mary gave him the top 3 used documents in the company, and he converted them to ACT document templates. Now, with a few clicks, documents are ready. Now it's your turn. I'd like to share with you what Mary learned from her consultant so you can get started right away. I'll switch to the ACT database software now. Here we are in the ACT software, and basically it's really easy. You can run a letter template. Mary learned she can run a simple letter template by clicking Write Letter off the toolbar. What happens is that goes out and merges with the configured word processor of choice. In this case, it's Microsoft Word, and merges the template, and the results come up here. And you'll see the name of the customer is at the top, her name's at the bottom, and the body of the letter is here for her to customize. Now, they're a document-intensive environment. I'll go ahead and close this. So they do a fair amount of emails, but the examples I'm showing you aren't with email, although email is possible as well. The second one is write other documents, and then these are the templates that are configured in the database that we're currently looking at for Mary. So the initial communication, direct marketing, that's the one we'll pick, and this one was actually customized slightly to merge important information in the document, but also it includes the company logo. So if you scroll the document, you can see that this is where you can customize the text further. There's the logo of the company. Not a super flashy logo, but that's the logo that we're using with Mary. So she can print this out and be on her way and not have to cut and paste from a previous document. So let's talk about some of the results that Mary experienced as a result of customizing the top 3 used documents in the company. Like many things in business, it really doesn't mean much if there aren't results. So for Mary, the top 3 documents now integrated in ACT and made available to all users in the company, that represents 1.5 minutes of time savings per document. Since the company creates roughly 30 of these documents per day, this calculates to roughly 195 man-hours a year, or 20+ workdays. Needless to say, she's very pleased with these results. However, as great as they may be, there's a lot more work to do. And Mary wants more from the system, especially as she's faced with a new challenge. In the next video, you'll see that Mary is tasked by the VP of Marketing to get as many qualified leads as possible for a new product at the lowest cost. Does that sound familiar? With the constraints given, she knows she has to be creative and measure the results. Stay tuned. We'll cover that in the next video. Now, before signing up for the newsletter, I want to let you know that feedback is critical to understanding how we're doing and providing relevant content. For a new subscriber to our newsletter, you'll receive a link where you can post comments on this video. You can also go to actblogger.com and use the search box to find the comment thread on this video post. Oh, and if you're watching this video from a site like YouTube, Rever, or some other video sharing service, you can claim access to the complete series of videos at www.actasap.net/top5. This video is for new subscribers only. Here's a few things we'll cover. How Mary will track profitability of the campaign. How will she report on campaign progress at the managers meeting? Oh, in a special bonus video, you'll discover how Mary saves the company even more time with shared access to graphical reports. So go ahead and fill in the form to get instant access to the next video. My name is Travis Campbell, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon on the web.